To change Robinhood to candlesticks in 2025, start by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device or accessing it through the web platform. Navigate to the stock or cryptocurrency chart you want to view in candlestick format. By default, Robinhood displays charts in a line graph format, so you will need to adjust the settings to switch to candlesticks. Look for the chart settings icon, which is usually represented by a small gear or a line graph symbol. Tap or click on the chart settings icon to open the chart settings menu. In this menu, you will see various options to customize your chart view, including the option to change the chart type. Select the candlestick option from the chart type menu. This will immediately update the chart to display candlestick patterns, which provide a more detailed view of price movements, including the high, low, open, and close prices for each time period. Candlestick charts are useful for identifying trends and patterns in price movements, and can be used to inform investment decisions. Each candlestick represents a specific time period, such as 1 minute, 1 hour, or 1 day, and is composed of 4 main components: the body, which represents the open and close prices, and the wicks, which represent the high and low prices. To get the most out of candlestick charts on Robinhood, it is essential to understand the different types of candlestick patterns and what they indicate. For example, a bullish engulfing pattern, which is characterized by a small bearish candle followed by a large bullish candle, can be a sign of a potential upward trend. By following these steps and understanding the basics of candlestick charts, you can effectively change your Robinhood chart to candlesticks and start using this valuable tool to inform your investment decisions.